Hi, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we are at 1716 South 7th Ave. This is a house with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. As you can see, it's well fenced in with a nice front yard. Once again, the address is 1716 South 7th Ave. This house does not have carpet. Well, not in the living room or anywhere else except for the bedrooms. And we'll go ahead and go straight into the first bedroom. Down the hall into the bathroom. Now to the second bedroom. This room has a nice big closet. We will continue looking at the house. Here's the kitchen. Yeah, this is the dining room. Can be used for a dining room. But it also has the washer and dryer hookups. There are some steps. We have a washer in here. And I guess you can use this part as the dining room too. Now this door right here leads you to the basement, which I'm not gonna go down. The reason is that there's some steps, and all there is down there is the water heater, the furnace. That's it for the inside of the house. I want to show you now the backyard. There's a nice porch out here. For the backyard. That's it for the house. If you have any questions, you can always call us at 509-314-4477. There's always somebody there available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once again, 1716 South 7th Avenue. This is a 2-bedroom house with a nice front yard and backyard. Like I said, if you have any questions or would like to request the application, please call 509-314-4477. Thank you so much.